Hi guys, I've SBR'd the wall about half an hour ago. I've going to start plastering. I'm going to be putting on the fibre mesh over this because the walls was blown and it would probably be blown all over. I could just literally knock this whole wall. It's not too bad, it's not there, a little bit there, but it hasn't cracked. But just for belt and braces, I'm going to go over it with the fibre mesh. And that's my plan of attack. Let's see how I get on. So this is a song I wrote, guys, and it's called If I Was a Mouse. And so just to confuse you, I start off with this line. If I was a clock. Oh, this guitar is rubbish. Hold on. If I was a clock high upon a wall, people would pass by and not look at me at all. Nobody ever looks up at me. I wanna be a big clock. Hear my tick-tock. I wanna make the house rock. Yeah, look at me. I want people to stop and stare at me. I wanna be a big clock. Hear my tick-tock. I wanna make the house rock. Yeah, yeah, look at me. If I was a mouse, where would I be? Under the floorboards of my new family. Always hiding because they're afraid of me. I wanna be a big mouse. Run around your house. I wanna chase the cats out. Yes, yes, look at me. I want people to stop and stare at me. I wanna be a big mouse. Run around your house. I wanna chase the cats out. I can't meow cats out. Yeah, look at me. Why won't someone please look at me? One day I'm gonna kiss you. On that day you will know exactly how I feel about you. I'm gonna take a chance, I've got to know. Are you thinking about me? Do you see me in every place that you go? Are you dreaming about me? Do you see me in your dreams I gotta know, are you thinking about me? Here goes nothing, gonna take a chance, gonna risk our friendship on romance. Hope you feel the same way that I do, 'cause I can see something in your eyes. Yeah, the eyes, they never lie, and I hope that you love me too. I got something to tell you, that I love you, and I see you in every place that I go. I've been dreaming about you, and I see you in my dreams. Now you know I've been thinking about you. My dog's doing naughty things with his cushion at the moment. Put me off. What's that you're saying? I can't believe what you're telling me, that you feel the same way about me, and you've been longing to tell me. You've been longing to tell me that you love me, and you see me in every place that you go. You've been dreaming about me, and you see me in your dreams. I gotta know, you've been thinking about me. Yeah, now I know. Yeah, now I know. Yeah, now I know. You've been thinking about me. You've been thinking about me. You've been thinking about me. It'll wear itself out in a minute, I promise you guys. Some see the apple don't fall far from the tree, and that I look like you. Thank you, mate. I'd be happy if I turned out to be exactly just like you. I'd be happy if I turned out just like you. I'd be happy if I turned out just like you. Every little thing I've learned from you, a father's guiding hand. Now when I gaze upon myself, all I see is you as I turn into a man. Yes, I think I finally understand. I wouldn't want it any other way. I want to be just like you, to have some children of my own someday, and I hope to raise them just like you. Then I'd be happy, I'd be happy if I raised my children just like you. I'd be happy, I'd be happy if I raised my children just like you. I understand the bond between me and you. I haven't made too much of a mess, so happy days. Damn Sam, if you're a bat, what's this? And slaughter me like you do everyone else. Call me a C-U-N-T. Shouldn't really say that word. Naughty boy. And I never want to break free. How could I ever repay what you done for me? I have so many happy memories. Oh, look what you done for me. Every little thing I've learned from you, a father's guiding hand. Now when I gaze upon myself, all I see is you, as I turn into a man. Yes, I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy that I turned out just like you. Yes, I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy that I turned out just like you. Just like you. Just like you. I'm just like you.